Udah.
Okay, so the question di sana ada, there are maybe more than berapa 16 ya question. Nah di sini questionnya is about school. Jadi pertanyaannya what will we discuss tomorrow is about school atau sekolah ya. So the question topiknya juga tentang sekolah ya. So we discuss the first question ya pertama ya. Oke, kalau ada sesuatu yang penting, maybe you can make a note, silakan dicatat, and you prepare the answer. Siapkan jawabannya. If you are asked, kalau kalian ditanyakan pertanyaan ini, you are ready to answer it. Oke. The first question we can see, what school? Ya, what school do you go to? Oke. Apa artinya what school do you go to? Sekolah apa ya? Pokoknya intinya adalah nama sekolahnya ya. What school do you go to? Okay. Where is it? Di mana? Berarti place-nya. And how do you get there? How do you get there? How apa artinya? Bagaimana? Bagaimana kamu sampai sana? How do you get there? Nah, biasanya misalnya if me I ride my motorcycle misalnya, atau saya diantar. Kalau diantar bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Diantar tuh bahasa Inggrisnya pick up, ya. Misalnya siapa yang ngantar? My father pick me up. Nah, itu biasanya ya, pick me up, diantar. Atau misalnya my father pick me up to school. Oke. My father biasanya ngantar saya ke sekolah. Oke, it depend on you. Ada mother misalnya or friends atau gimana. Kalau naik angkot biasanya you can say I go to school by bus or by car, boleh ya. By bus atau by car, tergantung kalian. Oke. Okay? How do you go to school? How do you get to school, Fagilda?
Yang mana?
Huh? How do you get there? How do you get to school? Sorry? What?
My mother picks me up to school.
Oh, your mother picks you up to school. Okay. What about Talita? Talita, how do you get there? What do you get? How do you get to school?
Diantar, Mom.
Ya, gimana diantar? Itu tadi saya kasih. My mother picks me up to school. Ya, pick me up to school. Ya, boleh dicatat ya if you don't understand, kalau nggak tahu artinya ya. Oke, and then what time does school start? Oke, artinya apa? What time does school start?
Jam berapa sekolah dimulai ya?
Jam berapa sekolah dimulai, and when does it finish? Finish apa? Apa? Kalau finish? Selesainya. Oke.
Selesai.
Oke, ya. For kalian bisa jelaskan from the pandemic ya. For the pandemic situation, you start from jam berapa mulainya?
7:30
and finish at
10.
10, okay. But kalau not pandemic biasanya ya, usually we start at 7 and finish at 1. Ya, kalau misalnya nggak corona ya, so if regular school ya, you will start from 7 and finish at 1. Ya, at 1 p.m. Oke. Are there any breaks? Apa breaks? Breaks itu maksudnya apa?
Istirahat.
Ya, istirahat. Are there any breaks? Kalau pandemic, are there any breaks? No, ya nggak ada ya. But kalau if the regular school atau regular situation, biasanya ada 2. There are 2 breaks. Kalian belum pernah ya? Belum pernah ngerasain sekolah biasa? So usually
Belum.
we have a break at 9:30. Ya, 9.30, 9:30 until 9:45, 15 menit. And then the second break is at 11 until 11:15. Biasanya kayak gitu. Ya, there are 2 breaks biasanya kalau if the regular ya yang biasa. Sekolah biasa biasanya there are two breaks, ya. Okay, and then where is your school located? Apa artinya? What is the mean? Where is your school located? Lokasi ya? Di mana lokasi? Ya, di mana lokasi sekolah kamu? Maybe you can say in Riau Silip or in Bangka Regency ya, di Kabupaten Bangka in Riau Silip. Is it easy to get there? Is it easy to get there? Easy itu apa? Ada yang tahu arti easy? Enggak, gampang. Mudah ya. Apakah mudah ke sana gitu, maksudnya aksesnya ya? Is it easy to get there? To get to your school? Easy nggak? Yes. Yes ya, karena kan kita di pinggir jalan besar. So, and then aksesnya juga gampang, nggak harus lewat hutan gunung dan lain-lain. So, is it easy? It's easy to get there ya. And then the 4th question, have you ever? Arti have you ever itu artinya adalah pernahkah? Pernahkah? Ya, have you ever? Pernahkah kamu late? Late apa late? Ada yang tahu arti late?
Telat.
Apa?
Telat. Terlambat.
Terlambat ya. Apakah kamu pernah terlambat masuk kelas? Oke, jadi ini berdasarkan jawaban kamu masing-masing ya. If you kalau pernah you can say yes. Kalau nggak pernah you can say no, I never ya, nggak pernah. And then if so, kalau udah pernah, why? Okay, have you ever been late for class? Resti? Have you ever been late for class? Resti? Yes? Yes or no?
Have you ever been late for class?
Yeah, yes
No.
or no? No, never. Never. Okay, what about Fagilda? Have you ever been late for class?
Never.
Never. What about Talita? Have you ever been late for class? Never?
Never.
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 Elvira, what about you? Have you ever been late for class?
Never.
Never. Okay, so dulu waktu SD juga nggak pernah ya?
Enggak.
Kalau SD pernah, that's okay. You berarti pernah. It means ya, you can say it karena SMP kan baru berapa bulan. So I think that's okay kalau kalian masukin pengalamannya atau experience-nya at in elementary school ya. That's okay ya. Jadi you can say yes. Was the teacher angry? Angry apa marah? Apakah gurunya marah? Was the teacher angry?
No.
No? Okay. No ya?
Oh.
No, okay. Gurunya baik berarti nggak marah ya, okay. And then di sini, have you ever? Apa have you ever tadi artinya? Apa have you ever tadi artinya?
Pernahkah
Ya, pernahkah kamu fallen asleep? Sleep apa sleep?
tidur?
Tidur di kelas. Oke, have you ever been fallen asleep in class? Kalau kamu bisa yes, why? Kenapa? Kenapa kalau pernah? Ya, bisa misalnya for example, because I am so sleepy. Karena saya sangat ngantuk. Ya, at that time. Atau misalnya I feel bored. Saya merasa bosan. I feel bored at class, so I sleep. Ya, oke. Have you ever been asleep, fallen asleep in class, Talita?
No.
No. Di SD juga nggak pernah?
No. No.
Tidak?
No.
No. Resti?
No.
Never. Yeah, wow, good. Yeah, Elvira, Justin, have you ever fallen asleep in class? Halo? Never ya, nggak pernah. Oke. Harusnya pernah aja, jadi kalian kedengeran suaranya. No, ya. Justin said no, ya. Oke, good. And then nih, what is your favorite subject? Ya, subject ya, you know subject?
Yes.
Subject pelajaran ya. So you can say apa aja nanti. And then why do you like it? Harus disiapkan jawabannya. Why? Misalnya I like English. Why do you like English? Kenapa kamu suka English? I like mathematics. Why do you like mathematics? Kenapa kamu suka matematik? Dijelasin ya. Siapin jawabannya. Prepare the questions. Prepare the answer. Siapkan jawabannya. And then nih, the next question. Is your school far? Far artinya jauh ya. Apakah is your school far from your home? Apakah sekolah kamu jauh dari rumah? How long? Kira-kira how long? Berapa lama does it take you to get to school? Misalnya, is for me, yes, my school is so far because I need 30 minutes ya to go to my school. Ya kalau saya, kalau saya ya, because I live in Belinyu and my school in Riau, so I think it's so far, so I need 30 minutes to go. Nah, untuk yang lainnya, untuk kalian juga, you have to prepare the answer. Siapkan jawabannya. Far or not? Far, jauh atau tidak, and then how long? Berapa lama? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or only 1 minute? Or maybe kamu bisa jalan. I can walk to school. Nah, depend on you, oke? Depend on you. Tergantung kalian masing-masing. Oke, and then how many students are there in your school? How many artinya apa? Berapa?
Berapa banyak?
Banyak siswa.
Berapa
Oke, how many students are there? Ya, dikira-kira aja. I think our school itu siswanya 450 ya, sekitar 450. 450. Oke. And then how many in your class? Berarti berapa banyak in your class? Di kelas kamu berapa? Depend on you. How many student in your class? 30, 31, 32?
31.
31, oke ya. Atau bisa juga nanti kelas, you can say yang dibagi kelasnya jadi 15 atau 16 students in a classroom. Oke. And then next question. What do you do? Oke. Apa artinya what do you do during breaks? Do artinya apa?
Lakukan.
Lakukan. Berarti apa yang kamu lakukan during, selama breaks? Break tadi artinya istirahat. Oke, ini kamu, you can say in elementary school aja lah ya pengalamannya, not in senior junior high school, karena di SMP kalian nggak pernah ada istirahat ya, karena sekolahnya cuma sebentar. So you can say what do you do during breaks? You can write misalnya I usually atau I always buy food. I always buy bakwan in breaks misalnya, atau I usually play with my friends. Bisa juga, atau bisa juga I usually go to library to read the book. Ya, ke perpustakaan untuk membaca buku, itu rajin banget ya. Bisa so many things ya. Kalian bisa kerjakan apa aja ya, you choose lah, kamu pilih kira-kira kamu ngapain. Play or eating, makan, eating snack, or reading, or do homework, ngerjain PR, or anything. Jadi kamu bisa siapin perjawabannya berdasarkan jawaban kamu ya. You remember in elementary school aja, siapin waktu kamu di SD ya, because in junior high school sekarang di SMP kamu nggak ada break and you don't study. Jadi ingat-ingat waktu SD aja, oke? Berarti SD kelas 6 pun enggak ya, SD kelas 5 berarti. Karena udah lama sekali kamu nggak belajar full ya. Oke, next. Have you ever, nih have you ever lagi ya, pernahkah kamu punish? Punish itu dapat hukuman at school. Ya, have you ever been punished at school? Why? Kenapa? And what was the punishment? Oke. Misalnya, yes I have. Pernah waktu saya I don't do homework misalnya, saya nggak ngerjain PR. The punishment-nya apa? I have to stand up, ya, berdiri in front of the class, di depan kelas for 1 hour, selama 1 jam. Or maybe sit up gitu ya, punishment-nya disuruh sit up gitu. Or many things. Ya, kamu you can prepare yourself ya. Silakan jawabannya masing-masing. Sekecil apapun itu ya, misalnya punishment-nya disuruh bersihin taman, I have to clean the park, boleh. So, silakan siapkan jawabannya masing-masing. Oke. Next. What time do you get up? Get up apa? Get up. Talita apa get up? Arti get up apa?
Pulang sekolah.
No, get up, get up, get up. Wake up, get
Gerbang,
up. Apa?
Gerbang.
No, get up. Bangun. What time do you get up? Ya, jam berapa kamu bangun? On school day. Ya, biasanya kamu kalau sekolah itu biasanya bangunnya jam berapa? Oke? And who wakes you up? Who artinya adalah siapa? Siapa yang bangunin? Handphone, my mom, or alarm, or
My mom.
ya, depend on, tergantung ya, bebas kamu, depend on your situation. Okay, and then what time? What time lagi nih? Do you go to bed? Go to bed apa? On the eve? Go to bed artinya pergi ke tempat tidur ya. Biasanya di malam hari at a school day. Biasanya waktu sekolah dulu tidurnya biasanya berapa? What time? And then do you ever stay up late? Pernahkah kamu tidurnya telat atau begadang? Stay up late artinya begadang. Oke, jam berapa kamu biasanya tidur at school day? What time do you go to bed? If me, biasanya I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Ya, at 10 or 9. Do you ever stay up late? Pernah begadang? Yes, when I watch drama, ya, when I watch Korean drama and it's so good. The story is very, very interesting. So I stay up late until 12, maybe at 1. Ya, gitu. Now, for you, silakan siapkan jawabannya masing-masing ya. Oke, next. What classes don't you like? Nah ini, what classes? Classes ini sama kayak subjek ya. What classes don't you like? Don't you like itu yang kamu nggak suka. Why? Pasti ada nih. Kalau saya, I don't like sports. Why I don't like sport? Because I don't like running. I don't like being sweaty, ya, nggak suka berkeringat. I don't like being tired. Saya nggak suka capek. So I want to just ya santai-santai, which is like sit down and enjoy the lesson without doing many things, ya. I don't like sport, I don't like volleyball, I don't like basketball, I hate ball. Ya, saya benci yang bermain dengan bola gitu, ya gitu. So I don't like sport. Ya, bisa kalian siapin alasannya ya, why you don't like that subject. Misalnya I don't like mathematics because mathematics is difficult, susah. And I don't like apa lagi? Macam-macam lah, kalian gantung kalian lah. Based on you ya, pokoknya siapkan jawabannya dan alasannya ya. Don't forget why you don't like. And then next, where do you have lunch? Apa have lunch?
Makan siang.
Makan siang. Di mana biasanya kamu makan siang ya? So biasa di sekolah at school or at home. Ya, oke. And then what do you usually eat for lunch? Apa yang kamu biasa makan untuk makan siang? Oke, usually ya rice and vegetables or chicken or fish, ya depend, tergantung kalian ya. So siapkan, you prepare the answer, siapkan jawabannya. Misalnya I usually eat noodle, mie ya, mie goreng, noodles. I like noodles very much untuk lunch, untuk makan siang misalnya. Atau ya usually I don't eat, saya nggak makan siang misalnya. Ya tergantung kalian lah, depend on your answers ya. And then what subjects are you good? Nah nih, what subjects? Subjek pelajaran apa yang kamu bagus banget menurut kamu? Ya misalnya nilainya biasanya very good. What subject are you good at? And what subjects are difficult for you? Ya, ada yang subjeknya good or difficult. Difficult artinya susah. Ya, you can choose. Yang mana yang kamu bagus banget, very good, or what subjects are difficult. Misalnya the subject that I feel difficult is science, misalnya IPA. Ya, atau sports. Kalau saya sih always sports ya. I don't like sports, so I feel so difficult in doing sports, olahraga, oke, ya. Atau agama nih, religion. I hate memorizing surat-surat Quran gitu, atau doa-doa pray, misalnya gitu ya. You don't like it, bisa. Tergantung kalian ya, depend on the answer. Oke. Nah ini juga lupa nih. Do you ever skip class? Pernahkah kamu nggak masuk kelas? Maksudnya nggak datang ya, absen? Yes, misalnya yes I have. Kenapa? Because I'm sick, karena saya sakit misalnya. Atau because I'm lazy, karena saya males aja gitu, nggak mau masuk sekolah ya. Tergantung, depend on you ya. And then give example of school rules. What is rules? Artinya adalah peraturan sekolah atau ya undang-undang peraturan ya. Have you ever broken? Pernahkah kamu melanggar? Misalnya, for example, like wear uniform, ya, nggak pakai seragam, or misalnya kamu buang sampah sembarangan, kamu nggak boleh, terus kamu melanggar gitu, or misalnya apa lagi ya, piket, misalnya kamu you don't do that duty, kamu nggak piket, misalnya rules ya, peraturan sekolah. Ya, misalnya kamu you have to wear tie, dasi, and you don't wear it. Yes, I have. Saya pernah. I have break. Saya pernah melanggar. I have ever broke the rule. Saya pernah melanggar peraturan sekolah. Misalnya, atau bisa juga I come late. Saya datang terlambat. Ya banyak ya peraturan sekolah macam-macam. And then what do you like best about your school? Nah ini nih. Apa yang kamu paling, nah ini best ya, paling suka tentang sekolah kamu, about your school. Misalnya, you can say I like the apa yang kamu suka dari sekolah? I like because my school is so apa? So big, misalnya besar. So I can run, misalnya. Atau I like the teachers, misalnya. I like my friend. What do you like the best about your school? Or I like the subject. Saya suka pelajarannya. Ya tergantung kamu lah. Atau you like apa? Apa yang kamu suka in your school? What do you like the best? Okay. Yeah, so those are the questions. Saya udah jelasin. So I think you can prepare. Siapkan jawabannya masing-masing ya. Okay. And then any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak yang belum kalian paham? Masih bingung misalnya what is the answer? Apa jawabannya? Untuk mata pelajaran ini ya, ada English, ini exam bukan pelajaran. Geografi itu kayak sebenarnya geografi, history ini masuk ke sosial ya, IPS kalau kita ya. And then homework, math, matematika, PA atau sport, science, IPA ya. Apalagi religion, agama, arts itu seni, prakarya bisa, seni budaya, and others. Ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan nggak? Saya bingung PPKN ya. PPKN itu pelajarannya bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? Saya lupa. Civil. Bentar, saya cari dulu ya. Saya nggak tahu ya, satu-satunya pelajaran PKN yang saya nggak, karena di luar negeri itu nggak ada PKN. Jadi bingung. Saya, oke. Oh, civics. Namanya civics ya. CI. Saya ganti di sini aja. Oh, saya nggak bisa diganti. Oh, bisa. Ini ya, civics. Civics. Itu artinya PKN ya. PKN. Ya. Kalau geografi itu pelajaran geografi, history pelajaran sejarah. Sebenarnya ada di IPS ya, itu termasuk di IPS. Tapi tetap beda, geografi and history. History sejarah, geografi pelajaran geografi, English pelajaran bahasa Inggris, homework art, pelajaran seni budaya, PA olahraga, science, IPA. What else? Apa lagi pelajaran? Religion, agama ya. Pelajaran agama untuk kita. What else? Ada lagi nggak yang belum? English, religion, geography, history, civics, art, math, PA, science. What else?
Teacher, kalau seni budaya tadi apa?
Art. Ini, art. Art ya. Oke. What else? Ada lagi?
Kalau seni budaya tadi apa?
Apa? Apa? Seni budaya?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, bahasa Oke, jadi bahasa Indonesia, Indonesian language. What else? Ada lagi? Prakarya juga termasuk art juga ya. Prakarya and seni budaya itu termasuk art. And then what else? TIC. Oh, technology. Computer technology. Ya. TIC itu computer and technology. And technology. Computer and sorry, itu saya harusnya computer and technology untuk TIC. Ya. What else? Ada lagi? Finish ya? I think that's all. Kalau IPS itu sosial ya. Sosial. Apa? Bahasa apa? English, bahasa Inggris, English. What else? Ada lagi? No? Okay. Yeah, if there is no question, ada pertanyaan lagi nggak yang you don't understand about the question tentang pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi? Atau bingung gimana? Kenapa? Apa? Apa? Hah? Nggak kedengeran, sorry.
Matematika.
Math.
Matematika.
Math. Math. Matematika math. You can say I love math. Math. Yeah. Social math, science. Any other? Ada lagi? Udah siapin jawabannya? If you have a question, kalau kamu pengen minta dicek nih jawabannya bener nggak, is it right or no? You can ask me in WA ya, bisa it can be the group or WA pribadi Japri. You can answer. You can ask me. Okay. Oh yeah, I forget. Besok itu ya, tomorrow itu bakal adalah hari pahlawannya Ukraina. Jadi mereka tuh libur sebenarnya. Jadi mereka tuh libur, so makanya mereka akan melakukan Zoom one by one. So nanti besok can you make nanti kita buat kertas ya, cari aja kertas. Kalian buat happy cross check day untuk mereka. Jadi when mereka kita masuk ke sana, when I say 1, 2, 3, kalian ngasih kertas and give it to the camera, and then tulisannya happy cross check day. Nanti saya kasih kasih contohnya ya, the example itu tulisannya apa. Oke? Do you understand? Ngerti nggak? Do you understand? Jadi
Enggak, soalnya suaranya macet-macet tadi.
Oh, macet-macet ya. Jadi tuh mereka tuh besok itu hari
Putus-putus.
oh putus-putus ya. Iya sinyalnya jelek, Allah sinyalnya jelek banget. Oke, is it good? Sudah bagus belum? Belum? Sinyalnya jelek banget. Oke, is it good? Sudah bagus?
Udah.
Oke. So, jadi besok orang Ukraina itu besok tuh hari libur, itu just like us. Kalau di bahasa di Indonesia tuh just like hari pahlawan. So, mereka tuh merayakan hari pahlawannya besok. So, mereka libur and mereka melakukan Zoom sama kita gitu ya. So, nanti I want to make a surprise. Saya mau kasih surprise untuk mereka, untuk kita semua ya. We make a paper, kertas. Jadi nanti kita siapin tulisannya Happy Cross Check Days. Boleh dihias-hias, boleh pakai warna kayak apa kayak gitu ya. Jadi kita kasih nanti when I say 1, 2, 3 saya kasih tanda, you can give the paper on your camera. Jadi kalian kasih Happy Cross Check Days gitu for Ukrainian students. Oke, nanti rame-rame bareng-bareng. Ya, so
Nanti tulisan.
ya nanti saya kasih tulisannya. I will give you the question. The tulisannya di grup aja ya. Okay. Yeah, so we give the surprise for them. Is that okay? Are you ready? Ya, okay. Nanti kamu bisa hias-hias lah, cantik-cantikin gitu. Okay, so I think that's enough. If you have ada pertanyaan lagi, any questions?
Berapa?
Kenapa?
Besok. Tomorrow berapa?
2:10, jam 2:10, I think. Ya. Yeah. Okay. Okay ya. So I think that's enough for today. Nanti saya kirim lah maybe rekamannya. Ini saya rekam soalnya. So thank you so much for today. See you tomorrow and go to WhatsApp group ya. Saya langsung ke WhatsApp group aja. Thank you. Bye.